Hi, I'm Gaurav from Career Coach. In the last few videos, we took you to the tour of MCA, covering what MCA is, what are all the different opportunities you're going to get post doing the MCA course, what are all the colleges offering MCA, and how is going to be a placement, how is going to be a campus life, everything we tried to cover in the last few series of videos. Apart from that, we also shared with you the last 5-year analysis of NIMCET question papers. We also shared with you Karthik's experience, how he started his journey for the NIMCET 2020 preparation and how he secured a job in the IT field. Seeing the positive response from the students and the queries they put to us for NIMCET 2020, we are planning to start a crash course for NIMCET 2020 exam. So, how our crash course is going to be different from what offered by other coaching institutes or other institutes? So first of all, this is going to be a full online course. So when I talk of an online course, it is going to be a series of recorded lectures, live videos, and apart from that, we are also going to have some interactive sessions with the students, clearing their concepts and their doubts at the same time. The second and the best part of this course is going to be the affordable fee. Talking of affordable fee, I have seen many of the students who are really bright in studies in their undergraduation, but they quit the studies and go for some jobs paying very less amount of money due to lack of money for pursuing MCA entrance exams. To fill this gap, we are going to keep our price really very affordable, so all the students who are going to be a part of this course will not feel the same and they can pursue their dream with this particular course. When we talk of crash course, many of the students have the tendency like they are going to take hundreds, thousands of students and not every student will get the personal guidance and all. To limit this, we are going to limit a batch size of 30 to 40 students so that we can give personal guidance to every student and we can keep a track of every student that how he is doing the progress for his dream NIT. The best part of this course is this is going to be only a 5.5 months course. As you might have seen in the Karthik experience in last few videos, that 5 to 6 months is the sufficient amount of time what it takes to start to prepare for NIMCET and to crack it and to secure your dream NIT. So keeping these things in mind, and we have kept the duration of this course really very short, covering approx 5.5 months. So in the test series, what students mainly ask for is that he should be given some test papers where he should practice for the main exams. So taking this point in the mind, we have designed a special test series for the students covering the last 5 to 6 years patterns what were asked in NIT NIMCET exams. So our test series is going to cover all the 4 subjects that are asked in NIMCET, and we will try to cover almost each and every pattern which has been asked in last few years, so that our students get really and all the types of question what is going to come as part of NIMCET 2020 exam. So once the student join the test series, like you might have joined for some other exams or for NIMCET also, you might have seen that many of the online and offline institutes provide test series. But the worst part of that is you are going to provide the test series, but the doubts of the students is not getting cleared properly. So as part of this particular course, what we are going to mainly target is we are going to give the test series as well as we are going to clear the doubts of the students also. So to do this, we are going to host special doubt clearing sessions for the students every weekend, and apart from that, we will be 24/7 available on our social media platform and our web portal, the link for which we are going to share in the description section of this video. So the scheme is going to be like this. We are going to give you the material for one particular week, and if you feel some doubt that this particular question is looking tough or this particular question is not able to solve, you can ask the same doubt then and there on our social media group, on our WhatsApp group, or you can keep the doubt for the doubt clearing sessions where we will be clearing the doubt live. And the best part I would say for this particular course, what makes it different from other courses is this course is entirely going to be taught up by NIT Trichy MCA pass out students. So initially we are going to start this course with the 2 faculty members. You might have interacted with Viranjan in the last video. So Viranjan is going to take mathematics section for you, and I'll be covering up your English section, your quant section, your reasoning section, and your computer awareness section. I personally think that covering all the 4 sections is equally important, and giving a proper time to every section can help you secure your dream NIT. And this, like, why the students are only teaching the subjects is a student feels more comfortable with a student who is a pass out student, and I personally think as a pass out student for NIT Trichy or NIT Trichy MCA, we can clear your doubts more accurately than anyone else. And you'll be also sort of very friendly with us, and it will be good for you. Like, you can ask doubts any point of time, and we will guide you, and it's good to provide us mentorship for us also. So this was all for this particular crash course. And at the end, as part of this course and as part of bonus material for this course, we are going to share 15 to 20 experience of NIT pass out students from MCA course who will take you to their journey from NIMCET-2020 NIMCET exam preparation to securing a job in the top MNCs in the IT field. So this was all for this particular course. If you have any query or any doubts related to this particular course, you can ask on this particular video in the comment section. Apart from that, we are also having a group and a page on Facebook and a WhatsApp group, the link for which we are going to share in the description section. Will be really very helpful to help you through your doubts or queries. So that's all for today. Hope to see you in the next video. Thank you.